Get this. Ta-da! How's that? Looks nice. Nice wheels. And ready to run. Let's get a nice exhaust. Stainless. Okay. Thicker body. This one is a bigger engine, 0.21. 1 speed. Get a bigger fuel tank. And a nicer air filter compared to the 110 models. Also, the battery compartment is now more convenient because it's fastened by these pins. I like these wheels. It's got a sway bars here. Got bumper bars. I can see an adjustable suspension here and oil chocks. Nice. Okay, give me a second. I'll put the fuel and we'll try to run the engine. Alright, the engine is running okay. I just need to complete the 5-tank recommended braking period. Ladies and gentlemen, it's still on the braking in stage. It's been running idle for probably about 30 minutes, and I observed that it's quite fuel efficient. At idle speed, the fuel is still halfway. So I leave it outside under a shade. Ambient temperature is about 14 degrees. And I still need a couple more tanks to complete the braking in cycle. Right friends, the braking process is already finished and this truck is ready to rock. It's a car chassis, so I don't want this truck look. I want to change this to a Beetle. So I want this Beetle, monster Beetle look. Look at that. Look at that. You can see. Look at that. Nice wheels. Look. And you can see it like looks nice. What do you think? And I added look at that. Looks more appropriate. What do you think, ladies and gentlemen? Alright, let's test this guy now.